Children, welcome to AyaansEasyMath. So the question is given now, a square plus b square value you have to find now. If ab belongs to R, a cube is equal to 3ab square plus 11, b cube is equal to 3a square b plus 2. So those who are new to this channel now, like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel now. So those who are new, you can subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates and you can gain the knowledge. So pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you get the solution to this? So here it is somewhat logical. That's why this question is selected. So here what is given now? A cube is equal to 3ab a cube equal to 3ab square plus 11. This can be written as a cube minus 3ab square is equal to 11. In the same way, if we take the second one, b cube is equal to 3a square b plus 2. This can be written as b cube minus 3a square b is equal to 2. So here we cannot arrange this in the form of a plus b plus or minus b whole cube that is equal to a cube plus or minus 2a square b plus so here we'll get a cube plus or minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus plus or minus b cube. So we cannot write in any one of these forms. So here we'll use complex roots or imaginary values, some imaginary roots for this equation. We'll take imaginary roots. So here you cannot arrange this in this form, a plus b whole cube, a plus or minus b whole cube. So we are using complex numbers to get the values of these roots. So here we'll take imaginary roots for the or imaginary numbers for the roots. So here a plus bi whole cube, a plus bi whole cube is equal to a plus bi whole cube. So here what will get, a plus bi whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square bi plus 3a bi whole square plus bi whole cube. So here you can take common a cube minus 3ab square plus I common 3a square b minus b cube. So the given equation you can change in this, take it as 3, and the given equations will change it in this form, a plus bi whole cube from 1 and 2, a plus bi whole cube is equal to a plus bi whole cube is equal to 11 minus 2i. From 1 and 2 we are writing this, let it be 4. A plus bi whole cube is equal to 11 minus 2i, let it be 4. Given a cube minus 3ab square is 11 and 3ab square minus b cube is equal to minus 2. So that value from the second one we will get minus 2. So that how we will get, here we will write from the second equation b cube minus 3a square b can be written as 3a square b minus b cube is equal to minus 2. Like that we are getting minus 2 from the equation 3 2 equation 2 a 3a square b minus b cube is equal to minus 2. In the same way you can write a minus bi whole cube is equal to 11 plus 2i. 11 plus 2i, let it be 4 and 5. Equation 4 and equation 5. Now on multiplying this 4 and 5, multiplying 4 and 5 equations, so we can get our target. Our target is finding a square plus b square value. So here we are multiplying x plus iy, x plus yi plus x minus yi is equal to x square plus y square. So here we will get a square plus b square whole cube is equal to 11 square plus 2 square, that is 121 plus 4 125. So AB belongs to R. AB belongs to R. Therefore what will get here, a square plus b square is equal to cube root of 125. A square plus b square is equal to cube root of 125, that is equal to 5. Therefore 125. So you'll get 5 is the answer. A square plus b square whole cube. Okay, a square plus b square is equal to cube root of 125, that is equal to 5. So here is our target. A square plus b square value is 5. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Like this Olympiad and logical problems will be uploaded from this channel. So those who are new, subscribe it because it is a new channel. Thank you for watching once again. AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.